for this for today. So before we actually start things, we'd like to thank in behalf of the organizing team, I would like to thank everyone who joined us event this evening. My friends from Zapoquitas Moms, yes, thank you so much for coming. Our friends from Zumagarin, everyone, thank you so much for coming. Our friends from Pamplona, yes, thank you so much for coming. Tanay City, our friends from Tanay, thank you so much. And of course, our town host, Tanay City, Zumayis. Yes, thank you so much. So again, we would like to thank all the Zuma